I'm so proud of my work. Oh look, a blank canvas. Now this is more realistic.
Hey, what are you up to again?
Check it out.
Ugh, you can't keep doing that!
You're ruining it.
Stop it!
Ahem.
All good here.
Doesn't look like it. Challenge time.
Whoa!
Time to teach them a lesson.
Wow, I'm so ready.
I didn't sign up for this. Your first task is to draw a sports car.
Who? Me? A sports car?
I got this. Easy peasy. Watch and learn, sugar pie. Sports cars are basically attitude on wheels, and I can do attitude. Phew.
You're doing great!
Hey, stop that.
I'm just trying to help.
Then give me an eraser. Now.
Here.
Thanks. Sharpie.
There you go.
Ta-da! Vroom vroom. My car rides in style.
Wow!
Where's your work?
Oh, right. I forgot. I don't even know what to do. I guess I'll draw the wheels first. Sorta looks like glasses as of now, right? Anyway, I guess I'm drawing a vintage car. Maybe red will look better? I'm not doing a good job, am I? Well, I gotta start over. Phew.
Huh? No! My drawing! My car! Are you serious right now? It didn't even have insurance yet! And you crashed it!
Whoa! I didn't mean to do that, I'm sorry!
Hey, time's up. Let me see your drawings.
Here's my drawing.
Oh, well, okay. Huh? Interesting artistic choices. Can't believe this. It's not fair.
Oops, my fault.
And yours? I see the vision, but it's too simple.
I deserve that. But you haven't seen the real magic yet. Voila! You need to take another look at it.
Wait a second. Wow! I'm so impressed! You win this round!
Yay! I'm sorry.
That was something. I can't stop thinking about my date. He was so dreamy. Too much detail. Huh? Oops. Sorry. Right. Next challenge is flowers. Alright. A challenge is a challenge. I know I don't really look like a flower guy, but actually, I'm a softie inside. Shh. Don't you dare talk about this to anyone. It stays between us. Purple's edgy, but it also got some calm to it, you know? This is kinda relaxing, honestly. I really like how it turned out. Huh? Where'd she go? He broke up with me! Oops, that's rough.
Don't waste your tears on him.
You're right.
Wow! And a genius! 'Cause I got an idea! I know a thing or two about recycling. Just trust the process. I know what I'm doing. These won't be your regular tissue roses. Pink feels like me. And this is such a cute shade. Not too bright, not too neon. This yellow will warm it up. I don't want to use dark green for the leaves. I want it fresh. Psst.
What?
Look at this.
Cool. We're ready.
Yep.
Oh, wow! You guys really know how to cheer me up! These are both amazing!
Aw, yay! Friends!
Whoa! I guess we are.
I'm back!
Ugh! What happened to your face?
I just got a tan.
You heard of sunscreen?
I couldn't bother with that. I had to enjoy the view to the fullest. Perfect. I feel alive. So you see, I have no regrets.
Well, you look like a lobster now.
You're just jealous of these.
To be honest, they look fake. Huh. Actually, they are cute. Huh? Hey! No chit-chat! Focus on drawing.
That's fine by me. How do I do this? Oh, right! I can use my shells. Don't worry, I have more at home. You can't go wrong with pastels. Coral and lilac? I say it's the cutest combo.
You're weird.
Just you wait. I'm gonna surprise you with my creativity. Hot glue time. I'm careful. I don't want to burn my hands. This one goes here, and the other here. The rest is up to my drawing skills. I have to say, I'm nailing it. I call this drawing Flamingo Besties. They're so cute, aren't they?
Meh, I have something much better in mind. A monster turtle that'll haunt your dreams. But he's also friendly. You don't need to draw perfect lines. Brace yourselves. Haha. Admit it, you are not ready for this. I know Salvador Dali would approve my work because this looks surreal. Even Ninja Turtles would be scared of my turtle. Aw, I wish this were my real pet. That's one magical creature. Hey!
Aw, lovely.
Roar! Ah! Scaredy cat. Ready, but where's your friend? Dunno. Never mind. Check this out! Ooh, unexpected work! Great job! Yay! Honestly, I deserved it. Oh, come on.
Is she okay?
I'm okay. Alright, next you draw shoes. Finally. This challenge won't be so challenging after all. I didn't even have to raise my hand to draw this. All done.
I'll draw a stiletto so chic that Le Boutin will buy my design. I'm taking my time with this part. This is already given runway. These little details make everything. If only heels were as comfy as they are cute. Can I?
Use these?
Please?
In your dreams.
Oh, why would you do that? I don't need your trash pens. Huh. I have something. Anything? Nothing in here. Oops. I don't remember leaving this in here. What can I use? Yep, this'll do the trick. Cloud dancer who? I'm all about bright colors. You heard that, Pantone? It's not done until it's bedazzled. This final touch makes my shoe look very luxurious. Okay, she is stunning.
Oh, I think I played it too safe with my design. Aha! This is just what I need. Can I use your glitter, please?
Did I hear that right? No.
Ugh, I should have seen that coming. Good thing I just came up with a plan B.
Hashtag boss heels.
Sorry, buddy. I wouldn't do this if it wasn't necessary. Okay, plan in motion. Ah! Oh no!
What?
Somebody please help Teddy! Anyone!
Huh? Teddy? How did that happen? Don't worry, I'm here to save you. Oh, are you okay? Poor Teddy.
You do that. And I take your glitter in the meantime. All mine. You didn't think I'd use pink, did ya? Careful. Don't want to go over the lines with glue. But I gotta be fast, too. Otherwise, the glue might dry. Here comes the best part. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Hunk and glam at the same time. Time's up. Show me your work.
This is mine.
Okay, vibrant. And this. Wow! I would wear both, not at the same time though. Bravo! Really?
Yay!
Hello Kitty. She's your model.
Love her!
Lame. But wait, turn her into Wednesday characters. Now we're talking. Bye, Kitty.
From 3D to 2D. My character's in it, obviously. So basically, I need all the colors I can get.
Boring. All I need is black. I mean, since I got main character energy, my kitty will cosplay Wednesday. Duh. Don't worry, her iconic braid's next. I might need another black marker, though. I feel like Wednesday and I would be best friends, you know? I could really channel her energy into my drawing. Adding a touch of color wouldn't hurt, but I feel like something's still missing. Aha! I know! She needs to look edgy, like me. Perfect! I'm so gonna win this round. You have no chance.
Huh? Wow, that looks so cool. I'm feeling inspired to draw a bestie worthy of Wednesday Kitty. Obviously, she painted her nails pink to match her pink striped sweater. And her cute little bow. But since Enid has such a sunshine personality, she needs yellow too. That's why I love her so much. Maybe some blue? And blue flowers? I say yes to that. Phew. One final step. Itsy hair is so her. Yeah! This is the hairstyle of the new year. Enid, ready?
Let me see. So? This'll be a tough choice. Let me take a closer look at them. Aw, adorable! And Wednesday is, too spooky for my taste. Sorry, but Enid wins. So here's the final score.
Yay!
Ugh.